Hello, welcome back to Gloria's Aubre's Kitchen. Today we are not cooking, but we are garnishing our ice cream using our ice cream cones bowls. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the garnishing.
It's ice cream time. Yes, let's start. I have my ice cream here. That's vanilla ice cream and fresh fruits. I have bananas, mangoes, watermelon, pineapples. Yeah. And my sprinkles, my syrup, my chopped peanuts or granuts. You know me, granite lady. And my cherry and my warm water. Okay, so let's fill this one with some. This is pineapple. And watermelon. Ooh. Watermelon on ice cream. Okay. Now let's go here with the mangoes. This is our mango. Okay. Have a mango here. Okay. With a little bit watermelon on here. Okay. I think I'm gonna give this to this so that's, yeah. Let's see if Hey. Someone already know which one he or she is taking. Okay, so we have our bananas here. I think some banana can go here. Some bananas can go here. Do you want banana? Okay, here, take some bananas too. Okay. Okay. Now our nuts. This is the Incatie and quadu. Okay, this is our peanuts. Enough. Hey. Okay, now what? This is our syrup. Here is our syrup. Okay, little bit syrup there. Okay. On top of the syrup, we add a little bit sprinkles here. More cherries here. Okay. Yay. Hey. Hey, what happened? This is wafers, rolling wafers. So, wafer is going somewhere here. Hey, don't mess me up here. And where first goes here. See that? Okay, wafers. You want wafers too? Oh. Who wants wafers? Yeah. Okay, so I think we are done here. Now you choose your choice, the one that you want. Thanks for watching. As your ice cream, choose one. Which one do you want? Yeah, finito. Boom, boom.